Hey guys, welcome back for week 2 of remote and hybrid learning, the second complete week. And it is my fault. I have not been showing the agenda each and every day. I forgot. I got to get into that routine. But today, what we're going to be doing in math is we're going to be doing video notes, practice and solving, and we're going to be working on some drills at home. For your video notes, on your paper that you got, your packet, oops, sorry, right here. It says that it's ScootPad, and it says ScootPad.com. Ignore that. Okay. I moved it to a Google form. It's just going to be a whole lot easier and better on both of us. So we're going to do a review on the Google form. It's on the first 2 standards we've went over. And what we know from right now, I just want to see where you're at. And we're going to be doing workbook pages 11 through 14. Then for practice and problem solving, you're going to be working on pages 15 and 16 out of your workbook. And we have a power of 10 sheet front and back. So it shouldn't take us that long of a time to do that. So we'll get that. And then for your drills at home, I want y'all to be continuing to working on your multiplication facts. That's something that you can do anytime when you're in the car, when you're waiting at the doctor's office, or anything. There's apps, there's flashcards, there's plenty of websites on the internet. Find something that works for you. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what your ScootPad assignment is going to look like. And I'm going to go to my, nope, wrong one. Nope, don't want that. Forms. Okay. Now, it's the ScootPad assignment. Okay, ScootPad assignment. Choose the best answer for each question. Now, for this, all you have to do is select the correct question or the correct answer. So, like number 1, it goes with the first standard. Number 2, 3, and 4 all go with NBT 1. That was the first thing we talked about. It's basically moving your decimal. Remember, if it's asking you 10 times more or 100 times more, you're moving that decimal to the right. If it's asking you for like a tenth or a hundredth or a thousandth, you're moving it to the... Let's start over again. If you're multiplying, if it's asking like what's 10 times greater, this is to the right, okay? And if you're dividing like with a tenth or anything like that, you're going left, okay, with that decimal. That's all you have to do in this first part. And then numbers 5 through 10 are the newest thing we're talked about with powers of 10. So remember, you have your base number, which is going to be your 10. Your exponent is how many times that number is going to be factored, or how many times that factor is going to be multiplied. So, for example, if you have 10 to the second power, it's 10 times 10. And how many zeros would your answer have? 2. So you're going to be doing this, and 6, 7, and I think 10. 6, 7, and 10, you actually have to type in your number. And like right here, make sure you put your commas in the correct place, or just put commas in general. Remember, commas go after, if you count from the back of the number, it goes 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Please put those commas in the right place. I have put it to where I will take the answer with or without the commas, but if you do put the commas, they have to be in the correct place. So remember, starting from the back, count 3, comma, count 3, comma. Okay, this one, use the equation 2 times 1,000 and enter the answer below. All you got to do is type in your answer. Also, please put the comma. You got to get into the habit of that. Okay, this one, you have to look at the multiplication problem and determine how many zeros are going to be in the answer. Simple enough. And the last 2 are division. And remember, when we are dividing, and we have a decimal, you move the decimal to the, I'll give you a hint, at your left. Okay, just remember that. You move it however many number of zeros you got. All right. Now this is 10 questions, so that means it's worth 10 points apiece. And it is kind of like a little quiz. Okay, so try your best. There is no time limit. And I forgot to do something up here. And you're going to see how I do it. Okay, I'm going to go enter. I have to put your name. Name and today's date. And for y'all, today is the 24th. So you'll choose this right here. And then you'll pick whatever date it is. All right, that is your ScootPad assignment that I moved over to Google Forms. If you have any questions about that, let me know. The next thing I'm going to be posting is your workbook pages 11 through 14. So once you get this done, go back, you get your packet, and get ready for workbook pages 11 through 14. After you get done with this little form, take a little break, go to the restroom, get a drink, eat a snack, and then come on back. See you later.